I helped my niece fix her own car. Here's how it went.
I have a 2010 Ford Escape, and I'm experiencing problems with my air conditioning. Number 1 doesn't work, number 2 doesn't work, number 3 doesn't work, and then number 4 works, but it blasts. So I'm going to replace the blower motor resistor. The blower motor resistor is located behind your glove box. So you open your glove box and you press these inside, and it should drop down. The blower motor resistor is located right up there. See the green wire? That's it. You'll have to disconnect the wiring harness by pressing this tab and pulling it up. Now there are 2 8mm screws, one on each side. You are going to need an 8mm socket. The screws are kind of tricky to get to, but do not give up. Once you get the screws out, you pull straight up and it comes out. I bought the replacement part at Advanced Auto for about $20. Look for a link in the description below. When you put the new one in, make sure this slot in the top is facing you. That's where the wiring harness snaps in. And then the new one slides in right there. Now you put the 2 screws back in. The last thing to do is to snap on the wiring harness. And now let's check it out. So 1 works. 2, 3, and 4. Wow! $20, easy fix. You can do it yourself. Thanks for watching.